Hi guys, let's make this a quick one. If you sign up for JVZoo the wrong way, they will flag your accounts before you even make a single sale. And this is what most beginners don't realize until it is too late. I made these mistakes myself in my first months of affiliate marketing, and I lost my first account with over $470 something that I made from promoting an offer called bidding phase. So I had to start all over from scratch. I mean, starting from zero. And as you know, the feeling is not always pleasant. So today's video is going to be a different one. No much talking. We are going to do a step-by-step guide to actually show you the mistake I made and then how to avoid signing up to this platform the wrong way. I am going to show you the exact valid account setup that JVZoo actually wants to see. And here is one thing I want you to take note of. If your account is lacking any of these things I want to show you, vendors will reject you from promoting any of their offers. All you need to do here is to stick around to the end so as to learn. Having said that, let's go into the details. Okay, for a start, head over to jvzoo.com. That is where I am right now. Next, you are gonna go to this place. So your next click will be on sign up now. That is where you are going to tap on next. So after clicking on sign up next, okay, so this is a form for you to sign up as an affiliate. So first up here is full name, so you put in your full name, your legal name. Next is your email address, you type in your email address, then you create your password and then confirm password. It's a repeat of that password. The next thing you are going to do is to select affiliate, because you are coming in as an affiliate, not as a seller. You don't have any product you've created that you want to sell on JVZoo platform. So you are coming in as an affiliate. So you are going to click affiliates. Okay. Next is for you to select your country. Okay, so I am just going to select my beautiful country, and let me see if I have my country here. Of course, it should be here. Let's see. Okay, so I have just selected my country. Next thing you're going to do is to create accounts. All right, that is the next step, create accounts. Once that is done, once you've included all your information, then click on create accounts. Your account will be created successfully. Okay, so before you are logged in to your JVZoo platform, they will send you a mail for you to confirm your email. Okay, and once that is done, you now receive a welcoming message to the platform. Alright, so that is how to create accounts on JVZoo phase 1. Now let's move over to phase 2 of the account creation. So after you've successfully created your account, the next thing you are going to do is to connect your payment option. Okay, and how do you do that? Simply tap on here once again. Next, tap on my account. Next, tap on payment option or payment profile. So after tapping on payment profile, it opens like this. Okay, so the next you are going to see payouts. Okay, payouts. And if you read this information, it says connect your payment facilitator to receive payouts from JVZoo. Alright, so manage profile. Alright, so once it opens like this, so you are going to see many facilitators that is available on JVZoo platform. That is those companies that JVZoo approve for you to partner with in order to transfer your commission from their platform. So here we have so many, like Tapauti is one of the facilitators that you can use. It's one of the company that they approve for you to transact business with them, as in transfer your commission to. Okay,
you also have Trolley. Trolley is another company they approve for you to transfer your money. But on Trolley here, you must have up to 50 USD before you can transfer. Okay, so if you have account with Trolley, you can now connect. Alright, the next option is Pioneer. Pioneer is another option that they approve for you to use to transfer your commission, and that is the one I am personally using. Okay, so if you can see here, you see connected because I have already connected mine. Alright, the next one is Wise. Wise is another company they approve for you to use to transfer your commission. Okay, so if you have account with any of these, then you can go ahead to click on setup. If you have accounts with Tapouty, the next thing you are going to do is to click on setup here. You now connect your accounts. You see details, the email that you've used while creating Tapouty account, you put in there, and there are also certain very simple setup that you're going to do. So if you have account with Tapouty, just connect it here where you see this arrow pointing at. It's not something that you cannot do, it is very simple. Okay, if you don't have account with that, maybe you have account with Trolley, you connect it. If you have account with Pioneer, connect Pioneer accounts here, connect. If you have accounts with Wise, you do the same. See here, connect or set up Wise. So once you've connected your platform, that means your withdrawal option, now your account is completely set up, meaning that whenever you make any promotion and you earn a commission, you can now transfer to the account you've connected. From there, you now transfer to your local bank account. Alright, those are the simple setup you need to do in order to get your account ready to start making money from this platform. Now, apart from connecting the payment option, you can also do some other setup. For example, if you come to JVZoo Pay, actually I have two accounts with JVZoo. In this particular account, now if you come to that JVZoo Pay, this is what I have earned recently on this account. Okay, this is my earning. Okay, now for me to withdraw this, because I connected Pioneer, they also require that is to say I need to earn more than $50 before I can withdraw to my Pioneer account. That is why you are seeing this red sign here, because my money here is not up to $50. Apart from that, for the fact that I have connected my withdrawal option, that is why you see this one showing green. And what are they saying? You have selected a JVZoo Pay distribution method. That is to say, I have connected my withdrawal option. That is why it shows green. Okay. What else? Your distribution method matches your payment method account of Pioneer. Can you see? So they specifically mentioned here that I have connected Pioneer. Can you see it here? Okay. So once you've connected your withdrawal option, come to JVZoo Pay to see the other things you need to do. Now, can you see here that, look at this. And what are they saying? Say, please get KYC approved complete from here. Now, what does it mean? What do they want me to do? Let's find out. Now, here is the form. Okay, if you see, look at my full name, my email. Now, to get my KYC approved for withdrawal, I need to purchase KYC verification. If you click on this, let's see what happens. So the requirement for me to be eligible to withdraw from this platform, as in JVZoo, using Pioneer, I need to purchase that KYC approval with $5. Can you see it here? Right? So I will have to include the email I used to open this account. Then I tick here. I agree to the below stated terms and disclosures. Then payment option, that is if I am using my card or I'm using my PayPal or whatever means I want to use to pay. I just put the information here and apply. Debit cards, you see here, check out with credit cards. I can go with that using my cards. Or maybe here, if I have PayPal account and I have something there, then I can go with PayPal, transfer the $5 to them, and then they will approve. Then my account will be ready to withdraw. Okay, so those are the simple processes you need to get your account ready for monetization, or start making money from your promotions. Alright, as simple as that. Feel free to drop any questions in the comment section. I will attend to all questions. And please, to help us grow and to also make money together, it is important that you support us by subscribing to this channel. It is very, very important. Please, if you enjoyed this video and you have a question, drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe button so as to continue to support us to grow together.
I am going to leave the full JVZoo approval checklist pinned in the comment so you can save the video, so that you'll be able to reference to when you are doing your step-by-step setup. And please, if this video saved you from the mistake that cost me my first account, hit subscribe. And if you want to learn how to generate consistent traffic to your affiliate offers without spending money repeatedly on paid ads, check the description for the details. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I will see you in the next video.